In this video, I'll show you how to merge two Udemy accounts. If you have two Udemy accounts, you may want to combine them so your courses, certificates, purchases, and learning history are easier to manage in one place. This can happen if you created one account with an email and another account using Google, Apple, Facebook, or a different email address. First, open Udemy and sign in to each account separately. Check which courses, certificates, and purchases are connected to each one. This helps you understand what information needs to be moved or combined. Next, decide which account you want to keep as your main account. Usually, it is best to keep the account with the most courses, the email you use most often, or the login method you prefer. Udemy does not usually provide a simple button in account settings to merge accounts manually. So, if you want to combine two accounts, you need to contact Udemy Support and ask for help. Before contacting support, collect the important details. Write down both email addresses, your full name, the courses connected to each account, and any purchase receipts if you have them. This information can help Udemy confirm that both accounts belong to you. Now go to the Udemy Help or Support Center. Search for Account Merge, Duplicate Account, or Contact Support. Then submit a request explaining that you have two accounts and would like to merge them. In your message, clearly say which account you want to keep and which account should be merged or closed. Do not include your password. Namu Udemy support does not need your password to help with account issues. After submitting the request, follow any instructions from Udemy support. They may ask verification questions before making changes. Once the issue is resolved, sign into your main account and check that your courses and certificates are available. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.